You be silent.
Yes.
Day 3. And we're leaving west side. And now we're going east side of California. We're kind of central. We're not, I shouldn't use the west side. We definitely were surrounded by west side yesterday. Heading to Yosemite. Hit Walmart this morning. By the way, in Woodland, Walmart here is really clean, well-kept job. It's awesome. We're showered. We're clean. We're rested. It's earlier than expected. It's only like 8 or something like that. 8:40. We're doing great. So
Yeah.
we'll show you some more of this ride in a second. Check ya.
Woo!
The shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep,
Oh yeah, you're in a huge slippery rock. Pretty epic first campsite. Just outside of Yosemite, a cave right on the water. Like it. The water is awesome. Not very cold either, which is great. Let's see if there's a way, oh, the breeze picked up, to show the fish in the water. Livy's catching tadpoles, big ones, beasts. Maybe you'll see those too. They're huge. The breeze lets up, you'll see that. I think it's a cutthroat trout, but I don't know that those that often or that well.
Oh, there's so many.